Very very okay. Please subscribe.
Welcome to my channel, very okay. Today I'm gonna prepare a delicious rice, and this rice it's super good because I'm gonna make the rice with quinoa, and quinoa it's super good, it's super delicious. You have to try this recipe because quinoa it's a superfood. Before I start, I would like to ask you to subscribe, thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Okay, this is super easy and simple and it's very delicious. It's very okay. Now I'm gonna start with the quinoa. I'm gonna use this cup to measure. So first I'm gonna use about 200 ml of quinoa, or you can add 140 grams of quinoa, okay? Yes, this rice is gonna be half and half of rice and half of quinoa. And now I'm gonna add the rice here, which is gonna be 200 ml of rice or 200 grams of rice, okay? I'm gonna prepare with onions. You add onions according to your preference. I'm gonna add also 3 cloves of garlic. One of the secrets to make quinoa is that you have to wash the quinoa very well, okay? Because if you don't wash, the taste is gonna be bitter, okay? Make sure to wash very well, okay? Very okay. I'm gonna reserve the quinoa, cover it with water just for a few minutes because I'm gonna prepare the rice. Now I'm gonna prepare the rice and reserve. I have here 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna chop my garlic and add some onions. I'm gonna chop the onions and reserve. Now I'm gonna prepare my pan. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, unflavored, and coconut oil it's super healthy. That's why I always cook with coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, it's okay. You can substitute using olive oil. A good olive oil, it's okay. And now I'm gonna toast my garlic. After I toast my garlic, I'm gonna add the onions. My heat is medium heat, okay? And now finally I'm gonna add the quinoa. There's a good amount of quinoa here, and this will grow because the quinoa expands. Yes, you can trust. I make this recipe every week because I love this rice with quinoa. And the secret to make quinoa is that you have to wash very well and you have to season very well. I'm sharing here my secrets to cook very okay. That's why I ask you to subscribe, thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Now I'm gonna add the rice. I'm gonna mix everything. This is super easy and fast to cook, okay? I'm gonna add here about 1 tablespoon of salt. Sea salt is the preference because it's more health, okay? Yes, turmeric, it's delicious. There's a lot of vitamins. I'm gonna add turmeric, 1 spoon of turmeric. I'm gonna add black pepper. Yes, black pepper, it's delicious. Black pepper, it's very okay. You can add according to your preference, okay? Here I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix very well. After mix it very well, I'm gonna add 400 ml of water, okay? This is enough to cover the rice. When it starts to boil it, I'm gonna cover, cook in a low heat for 20 minutes, okay? I'm gonna adjust to cook in a low heat and then I'm gonna cook for 20 minutes, okay? This is gonna be fast and this is gonna be delicious. Very okay. Now I'm gonna turn off my heat and the rice is ready. You can check the texture, it's cooked. This is very delicious. Very okay. Subscribe, thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much and see you soon.
Very okay. Please subscribe.
Do you want to decorate your home with something unique made by your hands? How about have a romantic dinner with a beautiful pyramid to decorate your table for your special nights? Or have a cup of a good tea admiring a beautiful gem reflecting a warm light? Yes, I made these cars for you, the ultimate craft design orgonite cars. all tools that it's necessary for you to create beautiful gems. And there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download, PDF format, the Ultimate Craft Design Organite course. Discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems.